invisible scams that drone your account and how to not fall for them. Follow me until the end because the second one is really dangerous. So first one, there is a so-called social escrow scam. In private online sales, you list an item on Marketplace and they say a third party will hold the money for safety. To complete the deal, you must pay a fee or install an app that asks for invasive permissions. That app can read notification or access your payment or banking. So use only platforms you already know and never install app requested by buyer. If you were scammed selling online, tell me in the comments. And then there is the parking meter QR scam, a very dangerous one. You stop your car, scan the QR to pay for parking, and everything seems normal. But often someone has stuck a fake QR sticker over the real code that leads to a cloned payment page. You enter card details and the money goes elsewhere. Always check that the QR is part of the official meter. Use the Citi app or website or pay with your bank app. If this happened to you at the parking meter, write it in the comments. If you want other cases that are even more dangerous, follow me. We'll cover them in the coming days.